He was a great man. I could go to him with anything, and he would talk to me, tell me how to behave, how not to do, and what not to do. Oh God, there's loads of things about him. Like, I could be here all day if I'm talking about him. Me and Karen be killing each other, as sisters do, and he'd always step in and say, you know, you should be looking out for each other and not taunting each other, you know. And then, like, anyone he met on the street, he was always there chatting away with them. I used to go up to the post office with him and do his shopping with him. And then, of course, Ellie came along, and then she took the limelight off everyone. And yeah, he was a great man. He was very friendly, done everything for everyone.
I have memories of my dad pretty much like Lynn, where we were grown up. We were obviously with my dad. I have my dad again being handed a screwdriver to me, asking me to help him out. Everywhere my dad went, he had a screwdriver in his hand, had a screwdriver in his pocket. When we were going through his clothes just after he passed, we found screwdrivers in his pocket, screws in his pocket.
Nuts, bolts.
Nuts, bolts. It just, everywhere we went, and if he came over to the house, I'd be like, Dad, can you give me a hand with something? He'd be like, yeah, hold on. And he'd pull out a screwdriver. That was just my dad. He went around helping everybody. From a young age, that's just the sort of person that he was.